Hi guys, Randy back again here with the last video of the year. Alright guys, what I want you to do is look at this drawing, pause this video, and take a screenshot of this drawing, okay? I want you to look at this every day in the month of January because this could just be the one missing ingredient to make you profitable. And grab your seat and I'll explain to you why. Alright guys, so here we are, okay? So this is basically what you see here is an illustration of my strategy. Okay, like my strategy, I like to keep it super simple. Okay, so when I'm looking for a sell, first thing I need to understand market direction. Okay, so this trend here shows a sell example. Okay, and I'm actually going to show you a buy example after this. Okay, so what you want to look for is a selling market or buy market. Okay, in this case, a selling market. Okay, you first want to look for a breaker structure. Okay, this is what I marked here. Okay, BOS. Okay, breaker structure. When you see a breaker structure like this, okay, you want to look for an order block that's responsible for this break. Okay, it's usually around the extreme area of it's actually of the higher low. Okay, so your order block will usually be on the lower higher low level. Okay, so now you want to wait for the market to actually move back to that zone. Okay, and then you see here I put the money sign here because this is where the money is. Okay, so you want to sell price when it gets to this area right here. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into entry confirmation. That's something that I discussed in the course. Okay, so if you're watching this off of YouTube, join the free Discord and hit me up and I'll be able to assist you. Okay, so boom, you want to look for your sell orders around this zone. Okay, and you enter, your stop loss can maybe be just outside of the zone. Okay, and your TP is probably the recent point low. Okay, and then usually what market will do is it's gonna trend, it's gonna go all the way down and boom, hit your TP. Okay, and then now you can clearly see that now we now have a new breaker structure. Okay, so that new breaker structure, you see that impulse move, you can also start calling it phase one. Okay, phase one impulse. Okay, phase one is the impulse. Okay, we got the breaker structure. You can also maybe just mark your BOS, okay, which stands for breaker structure. Okay, and then obviously at this point now you should mark the order block, okay, that broke this, that's responsible for that break. It should be somewhere around there. Okay, and then you wait for the mitigation. Okay, so mitigation is phase two mitigation. Okay, mitigation. Okay, boom, then you get price getting inside of your point of interest. Okay, and you look for your entry. Okay, I'll go deep in detail with the entry confirmation in the course. Okay, it's not something that I will give out for free. Okay, boom, then this is where you want to be. Okay, you want to be where the dollar sign is. Okay, and then once you find your entry, you're now into what? Phase three. Okay, phase three is the impulse. Okay, phase three impulse. Okay, phase three impulse. All right, so now if you're not in the trade, this is phase one again for you. Okay, so if you say you open your chart and you already see this move happening, okay, so that automatically now this move becomes phase one for you. Okay, it becomes phase one for you. You get now, and then you get your order block, and then you wait for phase two, which is the mitigation. Okay, boom, then you enter, it's phase three again, impulse. All right, so now that I've showed you this here, I'm actually going to show you what it looks like on the charts. Okay, let me just delete all of this. There's a lot of things to delete. Thought I could have just deleted it like I do on TradingView, but it's not a problem. So okay, I'm actually gonna leave it like this. I'm just for the case of keeping this video short. Okay, I'm gonna go to the chart. Okay, actually, let me go to my trading view. Sorry, my MetaTrader. All right, share screen, MetaTrader. Boom. Okay. So boom, here we are in the MetaTrader. Okay, I'm gonna go to H4. I'm gonna try to clear the chart. All right, so here's a clear example. Okay, you see here we can clearly see that we are what? We are in a downtrend. Okay, so boom. Now over here you can see that this is a very complex example. So I'm gonna focus on like what happened this week. Okay, so we got that impulse mitigation drop. Okay, drop. Okay, so now that's phase one. Okay, find the candle responsible for the break. Then boom, that's phase two, mitigation, your entry, and then phase three. Okay, and then look at what we had recently. Okay, recently what did we have? You had a breaker structure right there. Okay, that's phase one again. Find the candle responsible for the break, and then boom, mitigation, phase two, and then boom, now we are in phase three. Okay, if you're on the if you in the trade, it's phase three, but if you're not in the trade, it's back to what? Phase one. Okay, so let me go to the most popular one, which is week 75. Okay, so if I even go to like the daily or the weekly, you can clearly see that right now, right here. Okay, phase one. Okay, push. Okay, breaker structure right there, push. Phase one. Okay, because you have a breaker structure, remember. Okay, phase one, mitigation, phase two, and then phase three. Okay, same thing here again. Okay, breaker structure, phase one, candle responsible for the break, mitigation, phase two, and then you find your entry, phase three. Okay, so like let's look at a buy example right now. Okay, boom, breaker structure, phase one. Okay, candle responsible for the break, came back, mitigation is what? Phase two. And then market get inside of your zone, then you get what? Phase three. Okay, so this is just it. Okay, this is not, again, breaker structure, phase one, mark the area responsible for the break. Mitigation is what? Phase two. Get inside of your zone of the money. See where I put the money sign, and then boom, you find your entry, and then phase three, so on and so forth, guys, just like that. Okay, here's another one. Here's a smaller one. Boom, breaker structure, phase one, candle responsible for the break, mitigation, phase two, get inside of your zone, phase three. Okay, let me look for one more, just one more. Okay, right here. Yeah, I could say this, but in this case, it did not hit. Okay, sometimes it might not hit, but most of the time it does. Okay, so we got phase one, area responsible for the break. Phase two, never got to the zone. So if this doesn't happen, you just leave it, and then phase three happened. Okay. So this is pretty much it, guys. Like, I'm going to keep this video short. This is my last video of the year. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully this helps someone out there. And happy New Year to everyone. I hope you guys have a profitable year. And don't forget to like and subscribe and join the free Discord, man. There's a lot of people making money over there. Like, you see my previous interview with the student that took $2 to over $700, okay, in 10 days. And by the time I'm speaking to you now, it's already up $2,000. I tried to do an update with him yesterday. He said he's like $250 away from $2,000. So if you can do it, anyone can do it, guys. Just focus on the right things and do not doubt yourself. It's possible. You can do it. If people are doing it, always tell yourself that you can do it too. So on that note, I'm going to leave you with this. Happy New Year to everyone. Randy signing out.